How to allow sensitive content control on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to allow sensitive content control on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In appearing menu, we should press on Settings at the top. Here we need to tap on Account. Then we should find option Sensitive Content Control and tap on it. Here we see three options: Allow, Limit and Limit even more. And we need to tap on Allow and tap then OK. And from now you can see the content that could be upsetting or offensive. And that's all. It was how to allow sensitive content control on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.